Hello student, I hope your preparation is going good. There is a good news and one bad news is coming from the railways board. So the good news is that there is a recruitment of Indian Railways Management Services, that is Indian Railways Management Services for the group A post has been released now. And the bad news is coming, this recruitment is not taken by the ESC examination, that is which is already finalized since last 4 to 5 years. Since 2017 they will continue the technical post from the ESC. Even before that they will have some different syllabus, but after 2017 they will merge with the technical part, and that they will hire again and again through the all the recruitment through the ESC only. But now they will come up with the new decision through the railway board, and they will finalize that all the recruitment in the future they will taken from the CSE only. There is no alternate option to go with the level 10 as a manager post from the railways. So this is the official update which is coming from the railways. All these things will be filed up in the document and they release in a PIV, like in a market. You can also go and read this. I'll continue only the important parameter which is aspect related to the student. So the first point which is coming from the railway board. So all the recruitment in the future will be taken care by the UPSC civil service examination, and they have clearly mentioned that all the post at the initial stage, like before the 2018, the post name was something different, but now the post name along with the designation everything is changed now. Before IRMS formed, they will taken as a designation as a assistant divisional mechanical engineer. But after the formation of IRMS and come up with the final decision, they will simply called as a junior scale, and the post was assistant manager. Like that, they will define the refine and all the particular define the designation based on the structure which is formed by the IRS team management. And they will also clarify that in a future recruitment they will mention that any vacancy in any of the grade is specified as per the decision taken by the teams of Indian Railways management. 50% of vacancies in a group, like there are two methods for the selection of these recruitment. 50% will be taken care by the UPSC through the written examination, which is as the level pay 10 by the direct examination, and 50% of vacancy that is taken care by the experienced candidate which is going through the senior section engineer, that is SSC. There are two methods and which is clarified in a notification. One, for the technical post, they will all recruitment will be taken care by the SSC, which is senior section engineer and junior section engineer, and other section related to the management post all taken care by the civil services. There is no alternate option to go in a railways other than these two methods. They have also mentioned related to the deputation. You are not definitely work in any of the particular location which they have assigned. Based on the requirement, you can also deputate within a central government organization, within a state government organization, also work with the territory autonomous bodies and public center enterprises along with the government and state agencies where they have a recruitment or where they have a contract and working with some vendors. They have all these things they will clearly mention in a notification. Also they have mentioned that the probation period, every officer on appointment of the service either by the direct recruitment or any promotional in a junior time scale shall be on a probation for the period of 2 years. Initially the period of 3 years, but now they will reduce with the 2 years. They will clearly mention in a notification. So going ahead with the vacancy which they have released now, so there are total different vacancy in different post and different even the designation as well. So I will discuss only related to the recruitment which is for the engineers, related to the fresher who is going to appear for the UPSC CSC examination. For the designation they have mentioned like assistant manager, and for the process which they have mentioned in junior time scale. And there are total 450 vacancy are there, and these are the level 10 pay scale post, and based on this they will provide around 56,100, which is the standard pay scale by the central government. And after that, once you work in that particular post assistant manager, you will definitely promoted based on your seniority with the senior manager. After 4 to 5 years again you will get promoted from the deputy chief manager, and again after 3 to 4 years you will promoted as a deputy chief manager again, then having some internal working difference. After that you will promoted as a chief manager. After that there is no seniority promotion. You will get promoted based on the railway board decision. You will not directly promoted based on a seniority level. For the vacancy on the other post like senior manager, there are total 1395 vacancy. And if you discuss about the deputy chief manager, there are two posts combined with that. There are 2325 posts are there, and based on that there few other posts are available based on the requirement which is not related for the student point of view. So they have released the detailed notification about these things. So in my opinion, the examination which is conducted by the CSE, it's a two different examination. Like if you prepare for any technical examination and going ahead with the CSE examination is totally two different path. And student who is preparing for the CSE examination, why they will go for the IS examination, IS post rather than going in a railways. So they have some better option instead of going in a railways. So all those candidate who is already prepared for non-technical examination is definitely going in that particular path. But for the technical it's totally different, going away ahead from technical and again going ahead with the non-technical. They are two different, but if they try to mix it, then none of the goal has been achieved by the student. So in my perspective, at least railway board has some thinking about the post related to the engineering, about what was they are thinking about that and how they will approach this examination rather than directly putting this post in ICSE examination is not the right solution. So but can't do anything, we need to fight and go ahead with the same process which they have finalized. I hope this video are helpful, and if you think, then do like and share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.